Good morning, all of you. Myself, Daigude Kajal Sudhir from the Sihagar College of Pharmacy, Vadgaon, Pune. I am from first year M Pharmacy from the Department of the Pharmacology. Today, I am going to explain the therapeutics roles of neem and their active constituent in the disease prevention and the treatment. First of all, we will see the biological description of the neem. The plant product which shows the important role in the disease prevention and the treatment through the enhancement of the antioxidant activity, modulation of the genetic pathways, and the inhibition of the bacterial growth. It is studied that they accepted that the pharmacological drugs which are based on the allopathy, which are expensive and which produce the toxic effects on the normal tissue. The study revealed that the plant which are derived from the natural products, the plant or the drugs which are derived from the natural products which are useful in the treatment of the diseases, that is neem is one of them. That is Azadirachta indica is a synonym for the neem, and which belongs to the family Meliaceae, and which commonly found in the tropical and the subtropical regions of the India, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and the Nepal. Neems which are involved in the Ayurvedic, Unani, homeopathy. The main chemical constituents which are involved in the neem, that is a nimbolinin, nimbin, nimbidin, nimbiodol, sodium nimbionate, and jedunin, salanin, and the quercetin. And these are the chemical constituents plays an important role through the modulations of the genetic pathway, and quercetin and the beta cetosterols are the flavonoids which are present in the neem, which are purified from the leaf extracts of the neem, and which plays an important role in the antifungal and the antibacterial activity. Like this antibacterial and antifungal activity, neem also shows the anticancerous activity, hepatoprotective activity, and nephrotoxic activity, and which plays an important role in the various diseases. Then we will see the therapeutic implications of the neem and its various ingredients in the health management. Neem shows activities like the anti-cancer activity, anti-diabetic activity, neuroprotective activity, anti-inflammatory effect, antiviral effect, antibacterial activity, antifungal activity, antioxidant, anti-malarial, hepatoprotective activity, anti-nephrotoxicity activity. Neem also shows the healing effect and the immunomodulatory effect. Then first of all we will see the antibacterial activity. Neem plant part shows the antimicrobial role through the inhibitory effect of the microbial growth and potentially of the cell wall breakdown. Azadirachtin is a main chemical constituent. It is a complex triterpenoid limonite present in the seed, which plays an important role in the antioxidant and the toxic effects on the insect. Ethanolic extract of the leaves in vitro which shows the in vitro antibacterial activity against the both Staphylococcus aureus and the MSRA with the great inhibition of the zone. Then antioxidant activity, free radicals and the oxygen species, which are the one of the main culprits in the genesis of the disease. Neutralization of this free radical is one of the important steps in the preventing disease. And leaf and the bar extracts of the neem, which shows an important or significant role in this preventing the disease and the antioxidant properties. Then we will see the anti-cancerous activity. Neem shows the anti-cancerous activity through the transcription tumor suppressant gene. In the tumor suppressant gene, P53 is acts as a tumor suppressor gene. Oncogene, apoptosis, and the angiogenesis, which causes the inhibition of cancer formation and the progression. Cancer is a multifactorial disease and major problems worldwide. The alteration of the genetic pathways plays an important role in the development and the progression of the cancer. Earlier study says that the plant and their active constituent which plays an important role in the inhibition inhibitory effect of the growth of the malignant cells via cell proliferation, tumor suppressor gene, various other molecular pathways. Neem containing flavonoids that plays an important role in the inhibition of the cancer development. Neem to be a good activator of the tumor suppressant gene and the inhibitor of the VEGF and the phosphoinositol pathway. P53 is a tumor suppressor gene and which plays an important role in the inhibition of the abnormal cells, in that inhibiting the development of the progression of cancer. Ethanolic extract of the neem treatment effectively upregulated the propoptic effectively, that is Becklin to propoptic gene, that is the Becklin associated X protein, Becklin associated death promoter gene, tensin homolog gene, and the C-jun N-terminal kinase. Neem leaf extract enhance the expression of the propoptic genes like the caspase 3 and the caspase 8. Then nimbolide is the constituents present in the neem, which is the tetraterpenoid limonide, is one of the most important contributors in the cytotoxicity of the neem extract. Downregulated cell survival proteins and Becklin-2 and upregulated the propoptic protein, that is the p53 and the BAX. Then we will see the apoptotic activity. In the apoptotic activity, Becklin and the BAX plays an important role in the regulation of the apoptotic process. Any alteration in the Becklin and the BAX which causes the development and the progression of the tumors. Study revealed that the leaf extract of the neem, which shows the downregulations of the Becklin expressions and upregulated caspase 8 and caspase 3 expression in the buccal pouch, indicating that it has a apoptotic inducing effect in the target organs. In the apoptotic pathway, that is, we show the antioxidant activity and anti-inflammatory activity. This antioxidant activity which are done in the inside the mitochondria, called as the intrinsic pathway. In the intrinsic pathway, caspase 9 is converted into the caspase 3, and which leads to the apoptosis. And in anti-inflammatory activities like the cyclooxygenase and lipoxygenase enzymes, which are mainly work. Then role of neem in the dentistry. The antimicrobial properties of the organic extract of the neem against the 3 bacterial strains causing dental caries and results show that the petroleum ether and the chloroform extract, which shows the strong antimicrobial effect against the Staphylococcus aureus. Chloroform extract of these which shows strong activity against the Staphylococcus salvivarius, and the third strain, that is the Fusobacterium nucleatum, was highly sensitive to both ethanol and the water extract. As like these antibacterial, antioxidant, anti-cancerous, and the role of neem in the dentistry, neem also shows the antitumorous activity, hepatoprotective activity, nephrotoxicity activity, or various diseases. Then from this we can conclude that the popularity of the natural products or their derivatives in the disease and prevention is increasing worldwide due to less side effect properties. Neem and its ingredient have the therapeutic implications and have been traditionally used worldwide, especially in the Indian subcontinent since ancient time. Clinical based studies confirm that neem plays a vital role in the prevention of the various diseases. The role of active ingredient as a chemotherapeutic effect has been noticed in various tumors by modulation of the numerous cell signaling pathway. In this way, we can conclude that is the therapeutic role of the neem in various diseases. And these are the reference I have used for this presentation. Thank you so much.